Guys, yes, you can see there is a lot of stuff in front of me. So this video is all about the grocery shopping in Montreal. So I'll be telling you how we went out and got the groceries now in this COVID situation. Actually, before that, I'll just want to share you how which is the place we went and what we did and how we went on the road. Everything. I'll just keep it very short. So where we went is a Provigo. So it is very near to my apartment. So I just went there and got the stuffs. It was like Indian stuffs were not available, but whatever we got, it was it was sufficient for run the house. So I just quickly take you how much we spent on this and what are the things we got, and yes, and what are the pending things we have to get. So yep, let me start with the veggies first. So first what we got is lettuce. Here it is. It cost us around $2.9, and next is a coriander. So this even costs around $2.5. So yes, dal will be very good with this. So I just without kiwi, without coriander, smells very nice. So yeah, this one thing. Then next we got is a broccoli. So broccoli, how much it cost is I think 2.9 dollars, maybe
$3.5.
oh sorry, $3.5. And you will be hearing my husband's voice from behind the camera as he'll be telling me the rates. So yes, he's a finance minister of the house. So yeah, then next comes the one more lettuce. We got it for salad. Actually, it was by mistakenly we got it, but it's okay. We can preserve it and eat a lot of green veggies here. So yeah, that is one. And next comes the garlic. Garlic, it was for how much?
It's in French.
It's in French, so it is tough to read the price. So we'll be putting it in the comments if possible. So next, carrot. For two, we spent $6. Carrot. So this is it. Carrots. We eat a lot of carrots. And this is corn. This is like 2 for 5. So we spent $2 for 5 corns. So yeah, potatoes. So here it is potato. It's for $8 and it's around 2 kgs.
$9.6.
Sorry, $9.6, 2 kgs. Okay, it's worth spending for potato. And next comes the cucumbers. So for $2, 2 cucumbers.
No, it's $4, I guess.
Next, banana. For this much. Oh, this for how much we got it? 1.9 it was for one limb.
So 2.5.
This is 2.5. Next fruit is pears. Pears. So I like this fruit, so we got it. Apple was already there, so we got only pears. So yes, this is the cheapest one, I guess.
No, pears is almost $7.8.
So yes, frozen peas. Actually, we don't have a peas which we get it, which we peel it like this and eat. This is a frozen peas, not fresh peas. So yeah, sometimes we have to get used to this frozen food as well now. So cauliflower for $7. Then onions for actually before telling the price, I just want to share you one thing. What happened is when we came here, we were not knowing that so many kind of onions are there. So what we did, as in India there is a red onion which we get it so much small in Big Bazaar and more. So we just got that one, but it was very spicy, so we couldn't eat like that only. So just what we did, when we went there and by mistakenly we got this kind of onion, and we are used to now. This is quite good onion. You can even eat it like biryani or some like with some charts and all like that only. It's a quite good thing.
$6.
It's for $6. Next, yes, cabbage. Cabbage will be the next one, and it's around $3, I guess. Cabbage. So yes, these are all about the veggies. Veggies are finished now. Next, let me move to the other stuffs. Like I want to update you. Rice and atta, we are ordering it online. So it is like Sona Masuri rice. We are taking it, and that was costing us around $26 for 20 pounds. Yep. And atta for 10 pounds, it was costing us around $9 to $15 somewhere. I don't remember exactly, but $9 to $15 it was costing. So we are ordering it online. So hopefully it will reach us today or tomorrow. So yeah, that is all about the rice and atta thing. So next we'll come to the raisins. So these are the raisins. Dry fruits are really costly. So the raisins, which is for $8, so we got it, and I think it will last a long. So it is 750 grams. So raisins is done, and this is rice sticks. So it is for $2. Next, pasta. This was an offer. We got it for $1. You can you can see a lot of pastas in my list. So even this is a pasta. It was around $2, I guess, and it was how much it is? Hi, this is a wheat pasta. So what gram is this? Yep, 900 grams. Next, yogurt. This is a curd which we get here. It's a Greek yogurt. Other than this, there are other types of yogurts which we'll get in Indian stores. So but it was little far, and we are short with the yogurt, so we got it this now, and it cost
5.5.
$5.5. So Vaseline. I'm not at all used to the dry skin, so I'm just making sure. Once in my native, when the temperature went to 20 degree, I used the Vaseline, so I think this will work here for my dry skin. So I just got this
$4.
$4. And yes, my favorite, Kit Kat. So yes, this was for $1 one, so $2. So next comes the bread for sandwich. We got this, and this cost us around $4.29. And yep, the bathroom cleaner, it is costing us $3.99. That is $4. And here comes the milk.
$5.
Milk for $5, 2 liters. And next comes the one of my other favorite, that is cake. So yes, just tempting badly for some dairy food, so I just got this cake. And here is egg. So the brown color egg, actually the egg was already there, so we got the smaller bag. See the color of the egg, it's brown, and he's the only one who eats the egg, so we got this one. This was around for how much dollar? $3 approximately, $3 to $4. And here is the chips. Even this is one of my favorite. So this is tortilla chips, and it's $3. We have the chocolates, the dark chocolates. This is for
$2.5.
$2.5. And one more chips packet, 200 gram, 200 gram. That is for $1.5. Most milk is somewhere around $2 to $3. And yes, the beer. It's for my husband actually. So it's for how much dollar?
I don't know. I have to check that.
He has to check it. He was taking a case, you know that, but I insisted him not now. So we just got it this one. Well, I can have it sometime, I guess, but not now. So next is the ketchup. So this was for $2.9. That is $3. And here comes the oil. So what happened in oil is we were like, we are from South India, so we don't use much mustard oil. So what happened is, unfortunately one time we got mustard oil, and we didn't like that taste much. So but it was good, it's good for health, but we didn't like the taste. So one of our friends suggested go for this oil. So we just checked online, and it was like good oil. And once we got the smaller one, so we got used to, and now we are getting this one. It's a regular, becoming a regular oil, but we have to not use it regularly, as groundnut oil and all is not there. Let's see going forward what will happen. So yes, this was like 1.89 liters. It's for $6, $7. So yep, last one is cereals. This is French, and this is English. So this is whole grain cereals with almonds. So this tastes very nice. So we got it, and it's cost maybe $3 or $4. Let me check it again and put in there.
Yeah, $3.
$3. So yep, this is all about the grocery things. We got it, and we went in early morning, like 8 o'clock. We left our home. Night shop opens at 8 o'clock, so we don't wanted to take any chance. We went and got it. Things were good, but still there are a lot of things to buy. This overall cost us $151. And still I think we have a rice flour to buy, ragi flour, then besan kata, then there are some things to buy. Almost, yeah, it will go around $200 approximately, I think, but this will be for two weeks. You can see it's $119, and in one more it's $20. And in, as I mentioned, online even there is, it is there. So around $200 for 2 weeks it will come, at least not for 2 weeks. It will, before 2 weeks may things may get over if two people you are staying. So this is how much you will be spending for a grocery in Canada. So the things are getting better now. The outside I can see a lot of people wearing mask and going out, and even we wore a mask and went and sanitized our hands when we came back. Which immediately when we came back, we just kept all the groceries in one corner for a day. And we just wanted, don't wanted to touch anything, even if needed also we don't wanted to touch if it's needed at that moment. If it's very much needed, then we used to sanitize it. We used to take a wipe and wipe it properly and use it. Then this is all about the grocery thing. Next, yeah, let me know if you have any queries on this, how to buy and all. And it's actually tough. I want to share you one personal experience here. It's actually tough to go out and get so much load. So in the normal times, what will happen is Walmart or Provigo, whatever the grocery stores will be providing something like home delivery. So we can just order in that way. I tried in Walmart before going to the grocery store, Provigo, by in person. Walmart didn't had any slot till May 19th. And even if the slots are there, what happened is the slots used to get open in by 9 o'clock. 9 from 9 to 9:01 or 9:05, the slots used to get over. So yes, this I faced it 2 3 times, so I didn't order it much. I just, one more grocery shop where I mentioned earlier, I ordered rice and atta is from Seigels, something Seigels it is. So they're online stores, I guess. So there we ordered it and it's on the way. It will be coming us, but still things we should get better, and now it's better than before, I can say. We have to stay all together in this. Stay home, stay safe. I hope everyone will take care of your health. Eat healthy. This is a time where you can personally invest yourself in your time in yourself. So just make a way to get the time invested. Yes, that's it, guys. Then chalo, bye. Take care. Stay safe.